Skeleton hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Skeleton hiccups. Ready? Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. He had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Oh no. He's hicking up. Hic, hic, hic. Oh, see the water splashing. Hic, hic, hic. Took a shower. Oh, look at that. He dropped the soap. Brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, his jaw came off. Just brushing his teeth. Polish his bones. Hic, hic, hic. Pop! Oh no! Oh no! Look at that. He popped his arm off. No. Carved a pumpkin. Hic, 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 hic. Oh, look at that. You can't cut the pumpkin because he's hiccuping too much. Okay. Rake some leaves. Hic, 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 hic. Oh goodness, no, look at that. He's making a big mess. Too many hiccups. Played with ghosts. Hic, hic, hic. Shoo, oh no, plop. He missed the ball. Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Hic, 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 hic. Well, that didn't seem to work. Eat some sugar. Hic, hic, hic. That didn't work either. He still has the hiccups. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Hic, 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 hic. He doesn't have any.